If you're thinking about buying one of these Gorilla mats for your bathroom, first I want to show you something that is not a good thing that's going on with mine. I purchased this about 2 months ago. I put it into the washing machine twice and it's already falling apart right here at the seams. So this is one thing I really don't like about this. I'm gonna have to figure out how to sew this, and I'm not very excited about that. But I did purchase 2 of these rugs for my bathrooms, and I can say that they are super, super soft. They're very absorbent. I never find water underneath the mat after a bath or shower. They're super easy to clean. I can put this into the washing machine and the dryer, and it does do a really good job at washing it. It's really cushiony, and the colors are really great. So I do recommend getting this mat. My other mat is still holding up really well, but I am really disappointed about how it's falling apart right here after just 2 months. Well, I hope this review was helpful. Make sure to follow me for more helpful household reviews.